Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove TikTok you may like suggestions. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up TikTok. And then in here, when you go ahead and tap on find, you'll be able to see you may like suggestions. But unfortunately, by default, you won't be able to remove this one. But you have the option to at least refresh, okay, so that you'll have different suggestions. Now, when you go ahead over to your profile, and then at the top right, you have the three horizontal lines. Now just go ahead over to settings and privacy. Now scroll down a bit and find notifications. You can tap on it, and then if you have push notifications enabled, you're going to want to scroll down a bit and find, okay, personalized post suggestions. You may want to turn this off, okay? All of them. Post from people you may know, reposted by others, or post you may like. Disable it all, and once done, go ahead and go back. Now go ahead and find Activity Center, okay, under Content and Display. Tap on it. Now tap on Search History, okay. In here, tap on Select, select All, and then Delete. Delete, and after that, you should be good to go. Force close the app, just like so. Reopen it and enjoy. And that is how you remove TikTok you may like suggestions. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.